referee. I'm not sure who was playing them on. AFC Giraffe have scored here. It's all to do for FC Platinum. Poor defending. Let's see how it panned out. There's the... They were played on by Kit Bello. It looked like Baba Kasek was in offset position. Will, how did you see that one?
I'm still to see. I need from a better angle there because Baba Sek there to me looks miles offside, but the far side, the assistant referee at a better angle, he was in line. He